In this video, I will guide you on how to get to the first message on Instagram. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now head over to your chat section, then go ahead and open up the conversation. Now you want to tap near at the top of your screen over here. Make sure that you tap near the top of your screen. Do that multiple times and this will quickly jump you upward. Repeat multiple times to load older messages faster. Now if this method does not work, then you can use the second method. For the second method, you want to tap on the person's name at the top, then tap on the search icon over here. Now you want to type in a word from an old message, for example hello, and then search for this. Now you want to tap on the result. This will take you to the beginning of the text instantly. Now if this method does not work, you can use the third method, which is to download your data. For that, head back over, then tap on the profile icon. Once you get on your profile, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then you want to tap on the account center option. Now tap on your information and permissions. Then you want to tap on the export your information option. Now tap on Create Export. Select Export to Device. Then tap on Customize Information. Make sure that you tap on Clear All. Then scroll down and you only want to select messages over here. Then tap on the Save option. Now you can select the custom date range. You want to tap on the all time option. Then tap on Save. Now tap on the Start Export option. Once downloaded, you can scroll from the very first message easily. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.